Welcome back to Learning Power BI. My name is Kamal. In this video, I'm gonna discuss how to extract data from different sources into Power BI. You can connect to data from many different sources, but in this video, we're gonna discuss only some of them. Connecting to CSV or text file. The commonly CSV file use comma to separate the field for each data record or row. DSV file use other separators such as tab or colon. Fixed width text file use fixed number of character allocated to each field to separate the field rather than the actual separator. Let's see how can import a CSV file into Power BI. For this example, we can download CSV file from data.cdc.gov. Just click on export. So here we have an option. Click on CSV file. So here we can see our downloading has been started. Now we're gonna go to Power BI desktop. Now click to get data. So here we have an option text or CSV file, or we can click more. The same option we have also here, text CSV. So here we have a CSV file which we have downloaded from CDC data. Just double click or just click on open. So here we have a comma and data type detection. We have three options here. Transform and load data. Great, we have just import our first CSV file. Close and apply. So here you can see all the table. Before close and apply, we have also transform, clean our data, but we will discuss in upcoming video. Connecting to an Excel file, we already knew how to connect an Excel file into Power BI. If you still don't know how to connect from Excel file, you can watch my video how to create Power BI dashboard. Connecting to PDF file, this is almost same how we connect with Excel file. Connecting to folder, this is the most important part of this video. Now we're gonna connect multiple CSV file from folder. Now here I'm gonna connect multiple CSV file from folder. Click on get data, more. Here we have folder. Select and connect. If you want, you can browse your folder or just paste here your folder path or OK. Here we have a one new option, combine. I don't recommend to use combine option. Always press load. Okay, if you want what gonna be happen, so just press combine and transform data. Based on entire data set. Okay. Go to transform data again. Here you can see there are so many messy thing here, and source name, date, and so on. So now I'm gonna show you what is the right method to connect multiple CSV file. Now we're gonna close again this one. Now I'm gonna show you what is the right method to transform multiple CSV file into Power BI. Get data, more, folder, just I paste my folder path. If you want you can browse. Okay. So I'm not gonna click combine and load. Just click transform data. Now here we have all folder information, name, extension, date of access, date modify, and so on. I can see the name of file, Jan, Feb, and March. So just click here, transform, extract, text before delimiter, and I want to remove .csv. Just write dot. Okay. Now we have only years and month. Now I'm gonna add one new column, add column, custom column. Now here I'm gonna write CSV dot documents and content. Or if you want you can just click here. Now here I have only CSV file, but if you have Excel file or PDF file, so you can write equal to, for example, Excel dot workbook content, parenthesis close. Or if you have multiple PDF file, you can also write PDF dot tables and content, parenthesis close. If you have CSV file, so we will use this formula. If you have multiple Excel file, you can use this one. Or if you have multiple PDF file, so you can use this one. So now I have only multiple CSV file, so I'm gonna remove both of them. And press OK. So now here you can see it create a new column which contain our CSV file data. So I need only this one and name, custom and name, right click, remove other columns. So now we have table column and date column. Just click here, use original column name as a prefix. Uncheck. Okay. Now go again home. Use first row as a header. But always remember to remove second header, because now here you can see we have a data problem. You can find yourself where you have second header. I'm gonna click gender. I have a second header here. Remove this one. Okay. So now you can see we have final data. Close and apply. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friend. Bye bye. Take care.